In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list clothes on eBay. Let's walk through the entire process from your eBay homepage so your listing looks professional and is easy for buyers to find. Start by moving your cursor to the My eBay menu at the top of the page, then choose Selling. This opens your Seller Hub. From here, select List an Item to begin a new listing. In the search field, type what you're selling, clothes, or your specific garment, like women's denim jacket or men's athletic hoodie. eBay will show suggested matches. If you see a product that closely matches yours, click it to choose that template. It can automatically fill some details and put you in the right category, saving time. Click Continue to advance. Next, select the condition. For secondhand clothing that shows normal wear, choose pre-owned. Good. This tells buyers exactly what to expect and can reduce returns. Click Continue again to enter the main listing form. Add your photos by clicking Upload from Computer. Use clear, well-lit images on a neutral background and show front, back, tags, and any flaws. Good photos boost clicks and trust. Now add your title. Make it descriptive and searchable. Include brand, item type, size, color, material, and any standout feature. For example, brand X women's linen blazer, size M, beige, single-breasted. Set the item category to ensure your listing appears in the right place, typically under clothing, shoes, and accessories, then the precise subcategory for your garment. Add the brand and then add color. Use standard color names that match your photos and tags to help with filtered searches. Write a clear description. Summarize the style, fit, fabric, and care instructions. Include exact measurements like chest, length, and inseam, and note any imperfections honestly. Buyers appreciate transparency, and accurate details lead to better feedback. Move to pricing. Check similar sold listings to set a competitive price. You can choose a fixed price or an auction. If you're unsure, a fixed price with best offer enabled often works well for clothing. Next, configure shipping. Enter the package weight and dimensions with the item folded. Choose a service that balances speed and cost, and consider offering combined shipping if you sell multiple items. Then add domestic shipping by selecting your preferred carrier and service level and deciding whether shipping is free or calculated at checkout. When everything looks good, preview your listing, then click List It. Your clothing item is now live, ready for shoppers to discover.